Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. So Solana continues to extend into its support area. Guys, we're dealing here with corrective structures throughout. I have to repeat it again and again. The only local impulse that we saw was here, but it kind of ended as a 3-wave move up, sort of. I mean, you can call it 5 waves. I've labeled it as a C wave. It's not beautiful, and the patterns here are not high probability, right? So we have to consider that again. I'm showing you here a support area for a B wave pullback. We talked about that yesterday. Support is at $180.47. And in previous updates, we talked about which levels would likely become relevant if the price breaks below $180.50. So let's unpack that again, because this is a real risk, I would say, with downside momentum accelerating again. So first of all, the upper support area here on our daily chart is still holding $172. But I'd say once we break below 180, the risk increases. We're going to break below 172. If we break below 172, the door opens to this area between 150, 160, and then $138 to $117. This is a zone that will be relevant, and this one, yeah. Whether this is then a deeper B wave or a deeper wave 2, honestly, I haven't decided yet. The market, I think, hasn't decided yet. We need to see how the structure develops, but I just want to make clear, at the moment, the move up from the 10th of October low, flash crash, 10th of October, the move up is only corrective in nature. We do not have any strong evidence that the next rally has started. I'm tracking for it, but it's really basically just a tracking exercise. We haven't got any clean 5-wave movements to the upside and 3 waves down. We don't have that. We don't have any clear recovery pattern. Yeah. So yes, my counts are pointing to the upside, but listen to all the words in the analysis. I'm not convinced yet, and we need certain levels cleared and broken for us to get more confident that a low is in, right? So if we can't reverse here, there's another zone here, $150 to $160. That would be the next one to watch, which is also where that August low is located. But if we go and take a look at the shorter time frame, this is the nearest Fibonacci support area I can offer. But the rally that formed yesterday was only a 3-wave move up. And yesterday around the same time, I made a video and said, look, we are still below resistance. Without a break above that resistance, another test of support is likely. We saw that, but again, the rally afterwards, or the bounce rather, was underwhelming. So we're coming down again, and we're now approaching the 61.8 retracement as next micro support at $185.47, and the 78.6 retracement at $180.47. But there is so far no reaction. So I'm monitoring this. Honestly, I mean, this does not really... I think the only way how it could actually find support in this range is a WXY pattern. But again, the labels are not so important. What really is important is, from where do we get a 5-wave move up? Because at the moment, I can't see that. Yeah. And I think, this might morph into some kind of an ABC WXY pattern here. If we turn around now. But either way, I think what we need now is still a break above that resistance area. That's also what I pointed out in the member update earlier today. We need a break above this resistance area. But in the very short term, I think, well, at the very least, a break above this B wave high. Yeah, this is located at $198.30. So we have this trend line, we have this resistance. There's a lot of resistance to clear. And the problem is, all the rallies are 3-wave movements. Like this here is clearly 3. This also unfortunately ended as 3, but it could be an AB. So we're watching this support area. Please note that the support area is not invalidation. The invalidation point for this AB structure is the swing low that formed on Friday, the 17th of October at $174.50. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to also follow us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. And also, if you're interested in stocks and other asset classes, there's a link to our MCO Global equities and commodities channel where we cover gold, silver, and so on, and many stocks as well at the end of the video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.